Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about what is random access memory. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is random access memory? Random access memory or RAM is a type of computer memory that is used to store data and instructions that are actively being accessed by the computer's processor. It is a volatile memory, which means its contents are lost when the power to the computer is turned off. RAM provides a fast and temporary storage space for data that the processor needs to access quickly. It allows the computer to read and write data at high speeds, which is crucial for the overall performance of a computer system. When you run programs or open files on your computer, they are loaded into RAM from the computer storage devices such as the hard drive or solid state drive or SSD. The processor can be accessed and manipulate this data much more quickly than if it had to retrieve it from the storage devices every time it needed it. RAM is organized into small fixed-size storage units called memory cells or memory locations. Each memory cell is capable of storing a single unit of data, typically 8 bits, 1 byte. These cells are arranged in a grid and each cell is assigned a unique address, allowing the processor to locate and access specific data stored in RAM. The amount of RAM in a computer system has a direct impact on its performance. Having more RAM allows the computer to run more programs simultaneously and handle large amounts of data. Insufficient RAM can lead to slower performance as the computer may need to constantly swap data in and out of slower storage devices to compensate for the limited amount of available memory. It's important to note that RAM is different from the computer's long-term storage devices such as the hard drive or SSD, which retain data even when the computer is turned off. RAM is temporary storage used for actively running programs and data during a computer session. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is random access memory or RAM. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.